guys, I'm Misako Rocks. Today, let's draw a girl with a backpack. Yay! Alright, here we go. So these are like really basic guideline. We're gonna start drawing. Let's do eyebrow. Okay, from right side. So this is gonna be winking. She's winking. She's ready to go to school. Super cute, kawaii. Hi, eyelash like that. Eyebrows I made a little bit thicker because I want to give her a little more strong personality today. And then eyelid, eyelash, a little semi-eyelid. Okay. Then we're going to start drawing her right eyebrow. This side a little flat. I said flat. This side goes up, okay? And the eyelid goes a little up like that too. Hook down, eyelash, something like this, okay? And then let's draw one more. Maybe 2 eyelashes. I think it's cuter. Then we're gonna draw, actual eye, really close to eyelid, okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4. And here goes shiny bubble, black bubble. Whew, small. It's kind of hard to today. Nice. Then we are going to start drawing her nose. This section is going to be really small, more narrow looking today. Okay, just because her face angle. And then her lips. All right. And now let's draw her. Let's draw her face line. All right. Ready? From here. We're gonna have a little space. Okay, cheek sticks up just a tiny bit. Right, chin's right there. Cheek to chin, okay. And we're gonna draw here. Like this. So this part looks a little sharper. Okay, and we're gonna draw her neck. So she's turning back. And then let's draw her bangs. Kind of a little heavier. Okay, kind of like this. Here we go. So she's gonna have a little sharp yet kawaii bob hair. And I wanna add some kind of accessory. So little candy, bow, stuff like this. And her ear sticks up just a little. Manga ear tend to have an oversized ear. Just because I think it's more kawaii. So a lot of authors, including me, we tend to draw ear a little bigger than actual human, okay? And now we're gonna draw her bob hair. Not like more calm, slightly more active bob hair. So goes like outside like this. Okay. Here, so she looks a little bit of sporty same time, but sweetness. You know what I mean? Because when the the bob hair goes in more like out. So even her hair has a little bit of personality. Okay, and now let's draw this side like this. Oh yeah. So it's like allergy is just really bad. So my nose sound might be a little bit annoying today. Sorry about that. Okay, good. And then let's draw her neck here. And we're gonna draw a little shirt from her back. Kind of like this. Okay? All right. So this section is going to be a backpack. So let's draw a backpack strap a little. So I'm gonna go slightly up. Okay. And from here, kind of a little oversized here. You know what I mean? Kind of like this. Good. And I'm going to show you more basic backpack so you can just add it more accessories, stuff like that. Kind of like here. I think this is a good size. What do you think? Right? Okay. Detail, we're going to add a little bit later. So I want to introduce you now from underneath. She's wearing kind of a school shirt, like short sleeve. So let's do draw, what did I, oh yeah, kind of an oversized, little bigger short sleeve, okay? And then don't forget adding fabric wrinkle line. And when you're pulling, sort of like backpack, but holding same time, we're gonna draw her arm, kind of going back a little, okay? Oh, I hope I'm not gonna miss the here. Ooh, you know what I mean? Kind of like this. Okay, good. Oh, okay, good. So this is an index finger going up and a thumb sort of like holding backpack strap. So when you draw a hand from a sideway, oh, sorry, I didn't show this part. Here, the bottom part looks kind of like this, okay? Oh, I forgot the fact, yeah, this is a little long drawing. Sorry about that. So one more time. What I'm trying to say is when you draw a finger from a sideway, index finger, thumb, that's going to be more important. And the rest of them, sort of, you're just going to show kind of a knuckle like that. And then let's draw rest of straps like this. And she's wearing school shirt, something like this. And now I'm switching to a little thinner black pen because I want to draw kind of like more zip line, everything, you know, like this. And who doesn't wear keychain or some like accessory here, right? I'm pretty sure like all of you, I mean, I used to have like oversized keychain stuff like this. I want to introduce, oh, what I did was mini chibi, Pikachu. Here, go like this. So Pikachu's is more like a bunny sticks up like this, right? Here, and I want his body today is more just one round body, so it's going to be more easy for us to draw, kind of like this. Okay, and then his tail, wait, I'm looking at my Pikachu. Oh man, his tail is like in the back, so I can't see that much. Kind of like this. Whoa, wait, is that a little too big? Kawaii. And inside, you're gonna draw his cute little nose, mouth, round eye. Well, at this moment, I can't tell if this is a bunny or a Pikachu. Either way, more kawaii, so I'm fine with it. Then, pocket. And let's add more fabric wrinkle lines. Nice. Okay, so now we're gonna start adding pencil coloring. Let's do it. If you love kawaii manga, you will love my new middle grade graphic novel, Double Trouble, Lost in Japan, Bounce Back Volume 4. This time, main characters are twin sisters, Angie and Akira. They're going to travel to Japan with Bounce Back characters. They're going to explore Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto. This fun adventure is packed with kawaii stuff, Japanese pop culture, friendship drama, and lots of excitement. Scan a QR code to pre-order your copy. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so before we start adding any color, what I want you to draw is, I'm just gonna use a little thicker pencil. Can you draw little line, pencil line here? Okay, I'm gonna go a little down there. Here, okay, and more here, kind of like this. Ooh, and then here, okay, kind of like that, here. Okay, so from one long line like this side, I'm going to draw little lines like this. So, line from right side, it's going to be in shadow. So I want to start adding a color with a pencil, kind of like this. Maybe hair, you can do a little bit of like more down, adding like that. Either way, something like this. Shade everything right side, okay? And then we're gonna start cleaning up all the pencil line later. All right, so let's start adding color. Let's go. now we are going to use smudge paint. If you have, I don't have. I keep saying I don't have. I haven't ordered yet. I'm gonna use my index finger or pinky to start smudging. Okay, make it soft, nice, kind of a noisy texture. Right? Let's go. Okay, good. So before we start like cleaning a pencil line, now I'm going to use a little like more thinner mechanic pencil like this. I'm going to add just a little bit more hair color, okay? Because if you use like thicker pencil, it might be hard to add it more. So if you have a little mechanical pencil like I do, that would be great. So I'm going to add just a little bit more here, like this. Let's add it inside of an eye, but not inside of a bubble, okay? And maybe here. More, just a tiny bit. Here. Oh, this area is a little sensitive. Here, oh, and then can you do a little more like this? Maybe more here, just a little bit. Kind of like this. I think this is good. Okay. Okay. Then let's use like little clean corner if you have, and I'm going to sort of clean the pencil line. If you think some pencil line is a little still noisy, let's erase some part of it. Ooh, and then maybe can you draw something like that? Here. Let's add little shiny spots. All right, nice. And I'm going to introduce you how to write down this phrase. In Japan, when character or students, or even dad or mom, when they leave house in the morning, we say like, hey, I'm going, I'm leaving, like that to family member. We say, ittekimasu. And then pretty much every student in Japan, we say that phrase. I'm pretty sure you heard it maybe in anime or you read it in manga. So I'm going to write it down. She's saying, ittekimasu. Means I'm going, I'm leaving. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go slightly down like that. Right here. Okay. 1, 2, little small one. 1, て. 2, 4, き. 1, 2, 3, ま. 1, 2, and period. So this is て、き、ます means I'm going. So these phrases are super useful for you to remember. All right, good job. Yay, we did it. All right, so this is a sample you saw in the beginning. This is the one we just do together. A girl with a backpack. Super useful, fun to draw. I hope you enjoyed. If you have more requests or, other like characters you want to draw with me, write it down here. I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you so much. See you next video. One more thing, take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!